Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this touchless automatic mouthwash dispenser for your bathroom. Alright, so today we have this automatic mouthwash dispenser with the cups. The cups are magnetic, so this is a great thing if you do not like to take your bottles and actually swish them with the cup. This is magnetic induction flow water. It's got 3 levels of water output, Type-C charging, automatic cleaning, and no drip. So let's go into the box and see what we do get in here. It has a high precision magnetic induction which quickly releases the soap mouthwash liquid. So first off in here we're going to see the user instructions. So you can see the charger, you've got the wall mount, you got the item itself, a couple screws. So here is the product manual. So this gives you the product details, the instructions, the specifications. You have the safety instructions and attention. So this machine here has 3 adjustable volumes. So first off right here we have the suction pad, so you can suck this to your wall, or you have the option to use the screws, which I decided to use the screws. So you have these little holes on the side. They'll screw it into the wall. But if you don't want to use any screws, they do have these tapes that you can just tape it to the back and to the wall, so it'll suction to the wall. And then we have the Type-C charging cable. So the first mode is 10 milliliters, which is about 0.34 ounces, the 20 milliliters, which is about 0.68 ounces, and then you have the 30 milliliters, which is about 1.01 ounce. So this is the Type-C charging cable that comes with it. You can fully charge this in 4 hours, which you can use this continuously up to 1,000 times. So you get a really good long charge with this, and it will last a long time. This does have a 2000 milliamp battery. So here is the magnetic cups that goes on top of it instead of going below. These ones here go up on the top. So that's the first one, and here is the second one. This has a no drip, new nozzle drip nozzle design, which has no clogging, so you don't have to worry about it dripping. Each cup has a magnet on it, so it magnetizes to the machine itself, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. So now we're going to get into the dispenser itself. So this one is a super nice dispenser. Again, there's no clogging. It looks super nice, and it just sits right on the side. So right here, they just magnet to the top. Just pop it in right there, and it doesn't come off on both sides. And then you've got this side right here. Then there's a power button. You have the modes that you can change. And then right here is the charging port. That's where you'll put the Type-C to charge it. And on the back, it has this little piece right here. You just slide it in. So we're going to grab it so it's upside down. We're going to take, you see this little clip from the bottom. You just take that clip and it slides just right in. You just push it up so it stays right in place. And then on the back of it, if you want, you can use the little stickers. It is a double-sided sticker, so with that one it will stick to the wall. So you got the red side and then you have the white side. You just stick it right on here, and then that would stick to your wall just like that. If you want to use screws, they have the holes there. So right here, this is a sticker. You just stick it right to the wall. But personally, I like it using screws. It is a lot firmer. So here is the bottle. And it's a really good sized bottle, so I got a big thing of mouthwash. I didn't even go halfway with it, so it does a good job of taking a lot, so it lasts you for a bit. And at the bottom, you will just put your mouthwash in there. And then right here, like I said, you have that piece right there that you can just go ahead and stick it to the wall. Here is where the screws go into. You do get the screws, and you get the thing that goes in the wall, just in case if you're like myself that has walls that need these extra little pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this into my bathroom and I'm going to install this. But before I do that, I want to show you right here, this is the charging port. This is where you'll put your Type-C charger. So you can use a power bank, or you can use it, plug it into the wall directly. So you just take this, pop it in there, and then you take it to a charging bank or the plug. So like I said, 4 hours, it will be completely charged, so you can use this up to 1,000 times. Here is the charging button, so it'll flash once it's completely charged and it'll stop. And then you have your 10 milliliter, 20 milliliter, as well as your 30 milliliter. So this one here has a non-drip drizzle design. It has no clogging, no drip after stopping the water. So once you put it in, so right now I have it installed. So once you put the liquid in there and you put your cup down, it will just spray whatever amount that you want in there. So I'm just going to take one of these cups, turn the power on. So this is set at 10 milliliters. We're just going to stick it there. You can see that it automatically puts in the amount that you want. So I'm going to change it, put up 20 milliliters. And then once I put 20 milliliters, you got to take the cup out and then replace it back in there. And then it'll automatically dispense the other amount. It does bubble it up a little bit, but you can see that's 20 milliliters. Well, actually it's 30 milliliters because I put 10 milliliters. Once you get done washing it, you can just put it up there. You can see when you want to refill it, you just turn it to the left side. It will unlock the locking mechanism so you can use it again. If you're looking for an automatic mouthwash dispenser, I'd highly recommend checking this one. It is super easy to use and it is super easy to install.